Si Weekly Fast Start, obviously, linggo-linggo. Si Matrix Commission, binabayaran po tayo dito on a monthly basis. Okay po. So, si Matrix Commission, unlike kay weekly or quick income or now income, si Matrix Commission, I could say this is our residual income. This is our passive income. This is our future income na pag inalagaan po natin ang ating pong subscription, okay po, you reserve your Matrix spot. Aside from benefiting all the product lines of Live Good, ito pong Matrix spot mo na yan, all the people that put underneath of your organization, binabayaran po tayo ng company ng 25 cents ng 25 cents. Saan galing ang 25 cents dollar na yan? Nanggagaling po yan sa mga tao na nagbabayad po ng $9.95. Guys, Live Good family at sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig po sa atin, the business of Live Good, okay, like Amazon, like Costco, ang mga products po ay hindi po pinatungan ng malaki. Wala po tayo doong income sa product per se. So the business of Amazon is on the subscription and the business of Live Good is on the subscription. But the good point of Live Good business, listen very, very carefully kasi ito po yung pinaka-main strength po natin. We are the game changer, we are the revolutionary, we are the disruptor na dapat maintindihan po natin kung gaano ka-generous po si Live Good. How does it work? Sa lahat po na nagbabayad ng subscription on a monthly basis, 50% to 85% ay ibinabalik po ni Live Good sa mga affiliate member. Are you with me? So 50% to 85% ibinabalik po ni Live Good sa mga affiliate member. Unlike sa mga other subscription company like Netflix, Zoom, what else? Like Amazon, like Costco, majority itong mga to po, napupunta po ang subscription sa owner, sa may-ari. Pero si Live Good, ano po ang sabi ng ating CEO? Ben knows how to help people win. Majority, mag-earn po tayo ng $300 to $500. That is good enough. You are enjoying the products, okay, and you are still making money. But if you are truly serious to become very, very successful, pag-aaralan nyo po itong ating pong pinag-uusapan ngayon kung paano po tayo makakamaximize ng income dito po sa Live Good. Understood? So palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good, no? Palakpakan po natin ang ating pong CEO kung gaano po siya ka-generous. Imagine, ano? Kung gaano ka-generous na 50 to 85% ay binalik po sa atin. So ngayon, you are here on top. Nag-enroll ka kay Zam at saka si Tom. Guys, no? I do suggest para pumunta na po tayo sa new phase or the wave 2, the right way to do the business. Pag sinabi po nating network, it commands work. At pag sinabi po nating network, it's all about duplication. Ang tanong, how do we duplicate ourselves? Dinoduplicate ba natin siya ng tama o dinoduplicate po natin siya ng mali? So, lahat po yan nagduduplicate. Mapamali yan, mapatama, nagduduplicate. So, that is why we have to be very, very careful on how we duplicate. Because everything duplicates. Pero pag sinabi po nating network, ang ibig sabihin po nun ay leverage. So, ibig sabihin, we are here to multiply our time because once we multiply our time, we got to multiply the income. Hello? So kung ito po si Sam at saka si Tom, in-enroll mo, turuan mo si Sam at saka si Tom na mag-enroll din sila ng dala-dalawa. So if everybody is getting at least minimum of 2, ito pong ating pong Matrix Commission, alam nyo po ba kung gaano ito kaganda, gaano to ka-amazing, gaano ito ka-powerful if we are just going to implement and utilize it the correct way. Hello guys, are you with me? So sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa amin dyan sa Facebook, listen very, very carefully. It's time to make a paradigm shifting. Kung dati po, tinuruan po tayo na sumali ka sa Live Good, wala kang gagawin, kikita ka. Bagamat totoo, pero majority po, depende po yun sa nadugtong sa'yo. At pag na-duplicate po tayo ng wala po tayong gagawin, paano po bibilis ang growth ng ating pong network? So the best way to do it is really at least get 2 person. Kasi yung dalawang tao po, imposible na wala po tayong kakilalang dalawa. Kasi pag wala po tayong kakilalang dalawa, abay magdasal-dasal na po tayo. Anong pinagagawa natin sa edad nating to? Bakit dalawang tao wala pong naniniwala po sa atin? And with the strong mission of Live Good, which is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it, na i-educate natin sila to love themselves to help, to love their family to help, to educate people paano makatipid kasi magiging household brand tayo. Para i-educate ang mga people, turuan sila para magkaroon po sila ng financial freedom to make an extra income or even extraordinary income. Sino po ba ang aayaw po nun? And to educate people na nandito po tayo sa isang platform na tayo po ay magiging channel of blessings sa marami pong tao. Are you with me? So sa tingin mo, mahirap po bang i-share yung opportunity na to? Na darating ang panahon, ang Live Good po ay kilalang kilala na po sa buong mundo. Guys, everybody knows Live Good in the future. And this opportunity of Live Good, both the products and the opportunity are for everyone. Ngayon ang tanong, ilang tao ang na-share mo ang opportunity? Kaya ito po ang sinasabi ko, kaya makinig po tayong mabuti. The opportunity of Live Good, the best time to do it is nothing but now. Kasi nung dati po, nung sumali po tayo last year, like for example in my case, wala pong nagturo pa sa amin ng maayos talaga kung paano talaga. Everything was trial and error. So ngayon, what happened to us right now is the boomerang of the past teachings. Okay po? Of the wrong mindset, of the wrong education, of the wrong information, or the wrong understanding, or of the procrastination, or the wrong mindset na hindi ginagawa at inaaral po yung business. Ngayon, makinig po tayo na mabuti, no? Pag ito pong ating pong business na to ay talagang sinabayan po natin ng aralin ng mahusay, okay? Sundin kung paano gawin ng tama. Okay po? At mag-take action tayo massively. I could tell you, the platform of Live Good is one of the best platform na nakita ko po sa planet. So, now, take a look on this. Pag lahat tayo nag-i-enroll, even two, may kakilala ba kayong dalawa? Tuturuan mo yung dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa. Ito pong matrix na to, which up to the 15th level, mabilis po yan mapupuno. Mabilis mapuno. Mabilis po yan dumami. Pero pag isa lang po, dalawa, tatlo, ilang upline lang ang kikilos para punuin yan, babagal po ito. So kung titingnan po natin yung growth, if everybody will be doing the business correctly, lahat po tayo tiba-tiba, lahat po tayo sagana. Kasi masagana ang bulsa, masagana pa ang kalusugan po natin. Everybody is masaya. At saan ka nakakita ng apagkaliit-liit lamang po ng ating pong monthly subscription? Pero ang kapalit ay ang laki-laki. Paano mangyayari yon? Take a look on this, guys, no? So, lahat ng tao na yan, binabayaran po tayo ng 25 cents. So, you duplicate properly, you get 2 and teach the 2 to get 2. Naging 4, yung 4 naging 8, o yung 8 naging 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024, 2,048. Isipin mo yung growth mabilis. Bakit mabilis? Because there is a proper duplication. Can you please type on the chat box, proper duplication? If there is a proper duplication, hello, mabilis po ang growth. At pag sinabi po nating network, again and again, it's all about leverage. It's all about multiplication. Hindi po yung deduction. Kaya po tayo nagne-network, hindi po deduction. Nandito po tayo, multiplication, not even addition. We are here to multiply. But how are we going to multiply pag hindi po tayo na-duplicate? Make sense? Ngayon, up to the 12th level, kung ito total po natin yan, that is 8,192. The potential income, guys, on the 12th level for the unranked, pag puno ang matrix ay $2,047.5. Ito po ay pwedeng bumilis. Pwede pong mapuno yan ng mabilis. Okay po? Depende na lang po sa atin what form of mindset we are going to possess. Okay po? Kaya everything boils down on the mindset eh. Everything is, mindset is very, very powerful. Kaya nga sinasabi po, be careful on how we guard our mind. Kasi yung mind natin is so powerful. So pag itong 4,096, nag-double up po yan, na-multiply po tayo. Pag inabot po natin, nagra-rank up tayo, yung ating pong matrix commission, nagbabank up din. So if you become bronze and silver, up to the 13th level binabayaran tayo, the potential income is $4,095.5. So guys, be long-term vision. Begin with the end of the mind. Tingnan po natin yung future dito po kay Live Good. Huwag po natin yung tingnan yung ngayon. Okay? Kasi yung ngayon, maaaring kapa. Maaring hindi mo pa talaga naiintindihan yung business. Maaaring wala ka pang sapat na kaalaman sa mga skill sets mo, sa mga mindsets mo, sa strategy mo kasi nag-aaral ka pa lang. Kaya hindi natin nai-implement siya ng tama because we still lack of the proper knowledge. So dito, learn and earn at the same time. Kasi pag naintindihan po natin crystal clear what is the bright future awaits on us here in Live Good, hindi ka ba masaya? Nakikita ka ng $2,000 month after month after month or $4,000 month after month up to $16,000 sa matrix pa lang. Hello? Sa matrix pa lang. Kaya ang ating pong strategy ngayon, guys, papalitan na po natin. The strategy is massive duplication, correct duplication, proper duplication. Can you please type on the chat box the power of 2? Kasi yung power of 2, that is the minimum. That is the minimum na tao na pwede po nating dalhin sa Live Good. Na i-duplicate natin, and that is the easiest way for us to build the business. Hello? Are you with me? Hello, guys? Ngayon, kung lahat tayo kukuha ng dala-dalawa, mahirapan ba tayo mapuno ang matrix? Mabilis po yan. Papatunayan ko po sa inyo kung gaano po yan kabilis. Pero pag hindi po tayo dito mag-enroll at mag-invite, tutunganga lang tayo sa mga malalaglag po sa atin. Ito, uulitin ko ulit, makukuba na yung upline mo, punong-puno ng uban si upline mo, okay, matatagalan po tayong mapuno ang matrix. Pero wait, there's more. May napakagandang program ang ating pong CEO, since he is a brilliant man, he is a genius man, na hindi pa po yan finally nilolaunch, natutulungan tayo kung paano po mapupuno yung matrix na yan. Pero kung paano yon, that is something that we have to hold on and wait. Pero ito pong sinasabi po natin ngayon, this is the fastest way for us to get involved. Can you please type on the chat box involve? Involve yourself. Pangarap mo to, buhay mo to, future mo to, pero ayaw mong mag-involve. Kumbaga sa pamilya, okay, ayaw mong mag-participate. Wala kang pake. Diba? Ang hirap kaya pag sa isang pamilya, isa lang ang kikilos. Are you with me? So, this is a Live Good family. We are building an organization, a huge organization of people sharing the opportunity, sharing the power of the product, educating people to become healthy, helping people to save money, teaching people to get a residual income, pero wala tayong pake. Hello? Wala tayong pake. So, ano mangyayari? Kahit anong ganda po ng opportunity na ibinigay sa atin ni Sir Ben Glinsky, pag tayo mismo ang may problema, we are not inspiring ourselves. We are not helping ourselves to plant the seed of desire. Bakit kailangan mo mag-enroll ng dalawa? Kasi hindi natin nakikita yung power of 2. Hindi natin nakikita yung power of 5. Hindi natin naiintindihan yung power of duplication. At hindi natin naiintindihan yung power of leverage. If that power of leverage is completely understood, alam nyo, hindi po kayo titigil. Talagang, despite of many challenges, mag-share po kayo ng opportunity. I hope na nagme-make sense po. Now, ito pong potential income sa matrix, simple lang, mag-i-enroll po tayo ng kahit dalawa. Kaya po dito sa LGSEI, we give you this mantra. Ito po yung ating pong mantra. Memorize po natin ito. Go for bronze in your first week. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. Live Good family, live guys, no? Sa lahat ng mga nakikinig po sa atin dito po, sa hindi pa po alam ang Live Good or alam nyo, napakasimple lang po yung kaparaanan para po natin maintindihan yung business. You go for bronze. Ano nga yung bronze? 2 tao lang po yan. Sa unang linggo mo, ay imposibleng wala. Isali mo yung girlfriend mo, yung best friend mo, yung kumari mo. Isali mo sila. Okay? Turuan mo silang gawin din kung ano yung ginawa mo. Yung kumari mo, may kakilala din yan 2. Yung tatay mo, may kakilala din yang 2. So lahat tayo, kahit dala-dalawa, guys, ito po ang mangyayari po sa atin just on the power of 2. In your first week, you get 2, meron kang 50 cents. Ngayon, tinuruan mo yung 2 na yan na mag-duplicate ng 2 kada linggo. 12 weeks, kikita na po tayo ng $2,047 if everybody will get the power of 2. You see how fast and you see how easy? Kaya lang naman po nagiging mahirap at nagiging mabagal kasi lahat halos wala pong ginagawa. Hindi rin po nag-a-attend ng Zoom. Hindi rin po nag-GPS. In short, lack of involvement. Walang pake. Negosyo mo, mataas ang pangarap mo pero wala kang pake sa business mo. Ano bang nangyayari sa'yo? E di yung negosyo, wala din pake sa'yo. It's just like that. Hello? Are you with me? Kaya ngayon po, na nandito na po tayo sa Live Good 2.0 at malapit-lapit na po yung i-announce, it's time to get involved. Participate. Mag-GPS po tayo. Get in, plug in, stay in. Kasi pag ginawa po natin yan, pasayahin po natin yung ating pong organization, you build momentum, mag-join po kayo sa 90-day game plan, okay, learn the program, participate, plant the seed of desire in your heart, itong matrix na to, mabilis mapuno. And how much is that again? Maximum of $16,000 month after month after month after month. Hello? Ngayon, palakpakan nyo naman po ang matrix income po ni Live Good. Ako, I feel like I am on day 1 of my business. Dahil sobra po akong duper excited ngayon. Meron po akong i-unbox ngayon na box. Dumating po yung akin pong mga products. Now, guys, no, so that is Matrix. That is one of the most powerful po natin na tipla ni Live Good na kung saan andyan po yung ating passive income. Ito naman